Developing critical thinking and writing skills, unleashing intellectual growth. Introduction. Welcome to this lecture on developing critical thinking and writing skills. The ability to think critically and express ideas effectively through writing is invaluable in academia and beyond. In this lecture, we will explore strategies to become a critical thinker and writer, providing examples and practical exercises to hone these essential skills. Part 1. Developing critical thinking skills. Cultivating curiosity. Developing critical thinking begins with nurturing a curious mindset. Embrace a genuine desire to explore, question, and seek knowledge. Engage in activities that stimulate curiosity, such as reading widely, attending lectures, or participating in discussions. Questioning assumptions. Challenge assumptions by asking probing questions. Consider alternative perspectives and evaluate the evidence supporting different viewpoints. For example, when studying history, critically examine biases, motivations, and underlying factors shaping historical events. Analyzing and evaluating information. Practice analyzing and evaluating information critically. Look beyond surface-level understanding and assess the reliability and credibility of sources. Engage in fact-checking and consider the expertise and biases of authors. For instance, critically evaluate scientific research by assessing the methodology, sample size, and statistical significance. Part 2. Enhancing writing skills. Mastering the writing process. Develop a structured approach to writing that includes pre-writing, drafting, revising, and editing. Start with brainstorming and outlining to organize your ideas, ensuring logical flow and coherence. Revise your work to refine arguments, eliminate redundancies, and improve clarity. Crafting clear and concise arguments. Effective writing entails presenting arguments in a clear and concise manner. Begin paragraphs with topic sentences that convey the main idea. Support your arguments with relevant evidence, examples, and logical reasoning. Strive for clarity and avoid unnecessary jargon or complex language that may hinder comprehension. Engaging in reflective writing. Engage in reflective writing to deepen critical thinking skills. After completing an assignment or reading, take the time to reflect on your learning process and insights gained. Consider how your thoughts have evolved and identify areas for improvement. For example, maintain a reflective journal where you analyze your own thinking and reflect on personal growth. Part 3. Practical exercises and examples. Analyzing and summarizing texts. Read an article or scholarly paper from your field and critically analyze its main arguments, evidence, and conclusions. Practice summarizing the text concisely, highlighting key points and supporting evidence. This exercise enhances critical reading and writing skills simultaneously. Engaging in debate or discussion. Participate in structured debates or discussions where you critically analyze different perspectives, present logical arguments, and respond to counterarguments. Engaging in respectful dialogue with peers enhances critical thinking and communication skills. Writing argumentative essays. Compose argumentative essays on thought-provoking topics. Select a stance, support it with evidence, and anticipate counterarguments. This exercise allows you to apply critical thinking skills to construct well-reasoned arguments and effectively convey your thoughts through writing. Conclusion. Developing critical thinking and writing skills is a lifelong journey. By cultivating curiosity, questioning assumptions, analyzing information, and refining writing techniques, you can become a skilled critical thinker and writer. These skills are essential not only in academia but also in professional endeavors and personal growth. So, embrace the process, practice regularly, and unleash your intellectual potential by mastering the art of critical thinking and writing.